Step into the world of BurlyTex Pvt Limited, where every thread weaves a story of confidence and empowerment. From sleek unisex designs to charming children's attire, each piece is a testament to the power of self-expression. At BurlyTex, we don't just create clothes, we create confidence. With our own production facilities, we have the freedom to experiment, innovate, and bring our visions to life. At BurlyTex, confidence isn't just a feeling, it's an outfit. We're here to make sure you wear it well. BurlyTex, wearing the confidence.